Jeremy and welcome to another episode of B2C Furniture's Assemble It!
Jeremy, what are you doing? We're going to the showroom today.
In Melbourne?
No, in Sydney.
Sydney?
At 494 Gardeners Road, Alexandria. Come on, let's go.
Why? How?
Plants in hallways and more ways. Where?
Here. Come on, let's go take a peek.
Ooh.
Caitlin, how fun!
So much fun. Make sure you come down and check us out in our new Sydney showroom.
See you there! No. What? Oh, I want furniture! No, you don't! Ah!